Well, the Uttar Pradesh police have confirmed a Simi hand in Friday's Bijnor blast. An FIR has been registered against 6 Simi operatives who have escaped from Khandwa jail last year. Now, a low-intensity blast took place in a rented room in Bijnor on Friday.
जो बम ब्लास्ट में शामिल लोग हैं उनके संबंध में थाना कोतवाली शहर में एक मुकदमा दर्ज किया गया है, जिसमें 121A, 122 IPC और विस्फोटक पदार्थ अधिनियम और शस्त्र अधिनियम के अंतर्गत मुकदमा कायम है। और इसकी विवेचना प्रभारी निरीक्षक हमारे कोतवाली के कर रहे हैं। इस संबंध में इनके ऊपर मध्य प्रदेश सरकार द्वारा जो पहले से इनाम घोषित है, जो CCTV फुटेज में लोग पहचाने गए हैं, उनकी पुष्टि वहाँ के मध्य प्रदेश की ATS पुलिस ने की हुई है, जिसके आधार पर हम इस निष्कर्ष पे पहुँचे हैं कि ये लोग फला लोग थे। तो इन लोगों के ऊपर ऑलरेडी इनाम घोषित है और इनको पकड़ने की कार्रवाई की जा रही है। सर्च ऑपरेशन चल रहा है।
इस संगठन से जुड़ा है?
इस संगठन के संबंध में तो मुझे नहीं बताया गया, लेकिन ये बताया गया कि ये इनका जो प्रायर ग्रुप है वो सिमी से जुड़ा हुआ है।
Let's go across to Pranchu Mishra, who's on the phone line with us. Pranchu, what's startling is that the people involved in this blast are those who escaped from a jail last year.
Yes, that's right. In fact, these people have escaped from the Khandwa jail in October 2013, that is in Madhya Pradesh, and since then they were absconding. In fact, the officers have told us they already have a reward of 5 lakh rupees each on their head, and all these people, they were holed up in Bijnor for at least past 3 to 4 months. So that is very, very alarming. It clearly indicates that probably this particular module of Simi was trying to go ahead with some sort of a terror act in West Uttar Pradesh. And we all know that since Muzaffarnagar blast last year, Western Uttar Pradesh has been very sensitive as far as criminal issue is concerned. And Bijnor itself is a very sensitive region. So clearly it seems there was some terror plot to be enacted in Western Uttar Pradesh probably in near future. But this accidental blast, of course, blew the lid from that particular sinister design. But the question also is that the entire intelligence mechanism operatives, they were probably unaware. They were not aware of this sort of a module being holed up in Bijnor. Now with the FIR being registered, one thing is very clear, that Simi, which is the banned organization, was trying to make inroads in Western Uttar Pradesh, was
Yes.
probably trying to go ahead with some